our big thing today? Okay, cool. Hello everyone! I'm Marie of Historical Belle, and today I have an absolutely amazing thing to show y'all. I was given this by a friend of a friend, and I'm speechless, honestly. Like I can't imagine like what, like this was just given to me. If I came in, thankfully my dad and my fiance were able to help me move it out of this incredible lady's house, and I can't believe that it's now in my possession, and I'm so excited to show y'all. So without further ado, it looks like a box. So what's inside this box? Well, first let's take the lid off. It turns into a wonderful table. Then, if I press this button right here,
it releases the antique sewing machine. I guide it up with my hand until it's flush with the table, and there it is, that antique beauty.
it's this absolutely gorgeous Singer Treadle Sewing Machine that was given to me. And I can't get over how pretty it is. Okay, so now that this is up here, we then press in these two tire-wide handles. Well, I guess we can open these door first, which reveals the treadle. And then they're very tight, but they're there so that it's important. There we go. There we are. And those help support this. There's also one in the back here that we can pull out. And then here's the treadle. So here's the treadle, but I also want to show you what's on either side. So I'm going to go ahead and close these. Have to close that one first. So on either side, there are these two little doors. This one leads to a series of drawers. And then on this side, we have the machinery for the sewing machine. And on this side, I want to go through the drawers with you. So the top drawer, it has this really awesome inlay. And here we have the bobbin, we have some thread, we have some needles, a really cool old needle container, and some nice bobbins. But what I am more ecstatic about is all of the different feet for the sewing machine. There's so many. There's so many feet. I swear this one has more feet than my modern one. Look at all these feet. There's so many. There's so many. Oh my gosh. Wow. And that's just the first drawer. I love this little bobbin holder here. Like, how ingenious is that? I need one of those in my everyday life. Now drawer number 2. I'm not completely sure what this is. It says Singer Craft Guide. There's some paper in here? says Singer Craft, a fascinating new way of making colorful and decorative articles on the sewing machine. Oh, it looks like it's there you go. You use this as part of it and you create kind of woven-like things. That's what it kind of looks like. I'm going to put this back in here now, if it goes nicely. Alright, so there's that. And making powder. Oh, marking powder. Okay. That makes more sense. So it's like Taylor's chalk, but not. Alright, well that's super cool. I'm gonna stick that in there. What does drawer number 3 have in store for us? Whatever this is. Looks like some really old tape with some marking chalk on it. Alright. How about drawer number 4? Instructions for using Singer Sewing Machine.
These are the original instructions that came with the sewing machine when it was first purchased. How amazing is that? It's from December 9th, 1912.
This is the back of the Singer Sewing Machine Guide. And here on the last page is the original bill of sale. And this is the original bill of sale. It was sold on March 27th, 1913. And apparently the shop was at La Dea. And it was received from R.L. Nolan, and it was $35 no cents. In case you were wondering, $35 in 1913 is the same as $936 today. Now what will the 5th and final drawer reveal? Thank you so much for watching that ad. It turns out there was nothing in this drawer. So on this side of the machine, the cabinet looks very much the same, but it does not hide drawers. Instead, it has the inner workings of the treadle sewing machine. Up top, we have this, the wheel, and then we have the larger wheel down here, which then connects to this here that connects to the treadle. It looks like one of the things about raising and lowering this machine is that the cord, we'll call it the cord, comes off with a big bill. So I think I need to fix that here. There we go. Ooh, yes. All right, we're back in business. So if you need to be able to get into the side, if you weren't able to just reach in there like I did, well, they designed for that. They thought about that, the makers of this sewing machine. There are 2 hinges right here. You can then reach inside the sewing machine and then push and be able to have far more visibility and access to the inner workings of the machine. So I'm not going to try to sew on it quite yet. I want to get into the rhythm of attempting to use a pedal because I've never done that before. So let's try, shall we? Okay. Place foot on pedal. Okay, okay. So this is the thing that's hard, because when you like push down all the way, it goes one way, and then you push back, and it kind of goes the other way. So have to get into a good rhythm. Ooh, all right, let's back up a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's not working. Move foot. Put foot back on treadle. Heel. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Ah, it got stuck. Move foot. Put foot back on treadle.
While I have not completely mastered the treadle sewing machine, I have gotten into a really good rhythm and can keep it going for a pretty decent amount of time.
So I haven't completely figured out how to thread the machine yet. I feel like that'll be a project for another day perhaps, but I assume it's very similar to how I thread my modern machine, where we put the spindle here, it goes through, it hooks around here. I think it goes down, up, possibly then through, and then inside here and through the needle. And then it has an awesome
Draw bobbin here. You just pull this little piece of metal back and there it is. Super cool. I really love how decorative antique sewing machines are in general, but especially this one with this beautiful, almost floral-like design on the end here. Absolutely gorgeous. And while some of the decorative emblems and embellishments have rubbed off through the centuries, I credit that to all of the love and work that this machine has done, which is part of its story, and I value that so much. It's still so beautiful, it's still so vibrant, and I love that I get to have a part in the next chapter of this sewing machine.
So until next time, please like, subscribe. It's free. It's free to subscribe to this channel. Just hit that red button. Hit that thumbs up button. That's also free. Comment, please. Let me know what you think of this machine. Let me know if you have a particular 19-teens dress that you think would be a fantastic project for this machine, if you have a pattern for it or just a style. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I'm open to suggestions. I have not really thought that much on the idea besides making a 19-teens dress on this sewing machine to go with it. You know, it's to make something in the same style that it would have been originally used for by the original owner that I know the name of because I have the bill of sale. How amazing is that? Ah! Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, happy sewing.